This is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and in this video I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, open the Wi-Fi settings by touch and holding at the Wi-Fi tile on the control panel. Then tap at the network that you would like to share, and as you can see, the system will provide you with the QR code that can be further scanned with any other device, and the aforementioned device will be automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. So for instance, let's say you would like to share this network with your friend, so just tap at the network, wait until the QR code appears, and let your friend scan the QR code with his or her device. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.